In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change form post submit text in Squarespace. If you want to customize the text connected to a form on your Squarespace site, this is a very quick adjustment, and it can help make your form feel more polished and on brand. Whether you want to update the button wording to something clearer or better, match the tone of your website. Squarespace makes it easy to do right inside the editor. To begin, open your website in Squarespace and click Edit so you can make changes to the page. This will switch you into the editing view where you can interact with the different sections and blocks on your site. Make sure you're on the page that contains the form you want to update, since the text change will be made directly inside that specific form block. Once you're in edit mode, find the form you want to change and double-click on it. This opens the Form Settings panel, where you can manage the content and behavior of that form. If you have more than one form on the page, take a second to confirm you've selected the correct one before making any edits. When the Settings menu appears, go to the Content tab. This is where Squarespace lets you adjust the visible text for the form, including the button text. Look for the area where the current button wording is displayed. From here, you can simply replace the existing text with whatever you want it to say. Now change the text to your preferred wording. You might choose something simple and direct, or something that better fits your brand voice. As you type, keep readability in mind so visitors immediately understand what the button does. Short, clear text usually works best. Once you've updated it, that's it. Your form post submit text has been changed. After making the edit, it's always a good idea to quickly review the form on the page to make sure the new wording looks right and fits well within the design. That's all there is to it. As you can see, changing form text in Squarespace only takes a moment, but it can make your site feel more intentional and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.